Hello, my name is Gabriela Viale Pereira and I work for the Department for E-Governance at the Danube University Krems, where I'm coordinating the Erasmus Plus project called Capacity. In this video, I will introduce a concept related to smart governance and its transformational effects. This will allow students to identify drivers influencing digital government transformation and to discuss how governments are reshaping service delivery. Digital transformation is altering governance models in a disruptive way. Governance is needed for arranging the collaboration of stakeholders towards decision-making process that allow for a quick and positive reaction. The concept is commonly used to refer to the actions or manner of governing a state, an organization, or other constellation of actors. This shows that government and governance are related but different concepts. Smart governance is the base for a smart, open, and participatory government, and can be defined as the ability of governments to make better decisions through the combination of information and communication technologies, or ICT-based tools, and collaborative governance. In this sense, smart governance can be understood as the use of evidence to improve decision-making and deliver results that meet the needs of the citizens. Evidence-based decision-making includes a diverse range of sources, including data, people, or others, as input for decision-makers. Examples of smart governance initiatives are the participatory budgeting in Porto Alegre, Brazil, which is not ICT-related, and the Vienna Digital Agenda in Austria, which is supported by a digital platform. Both represent citizens-oriented initiatives promoting participatory process and guided by citizens' concerns, needs, and interests. The importance of transforming the relation between government and the public and the collaborative governance as a key aspect of smart governance leads us to the concept of participatory government. This concept requires the development of a new governance model as a method in promoting communication, interaction, collaboration, participation in decision-making, and direct democracy. To understand the evolution of the concepts, let's take a closer look at some definitions. E-government is a transformational effort through the introduction of ICT in government organizations, revolving in three main benefit generators. First, administrative efficiency and interoperability, which includes performance, effectiveness, and productivity. Second, service improvement. And third, citizen centricity, with focus on increased transparency and trust in government. Digital government is a transformation of public administration through organizational change and new digital technologies that creates new forms of governance with three main objectives: create public value, improve service delivery, and increase government responsiveness and openness. Similar to digital government, smart government refers to the integration of different dimensions of smartness to the previous concepts, such as integration, innovation, information sharing, evidence-based, citizen centricity, sustainability, creativity, effectiveness, efficiency, equality, entrepreneurialism, citizen engagement, openness, resilience, and technology savviness. The main objectives are to create a collaborative environment and promote stakeholders' engagement. In smart governance definitions, the focus is often on creating new synergies between technology and development through innovative solutions to economic development and social cohesion, addressing needs and aspirations of society and promoting participatory and evidence-based governance. ICT-enabled collaborative governance is a form of smart governance where ICT-based applications have an important role supporting information sharing and integration between government agencies and external stakeholders. A practical example can be seen in the context of the SmartGov project, which focused on advanced decision support for smart governance. The project considered that smart government relies both on the application of digital technologies to enable citizens' participation in order to achieve a high level of citizen centricity and on data-driven decision-making in order to improve the quality of service delivery and ultimately improving the quality of life in the cities. Data-driven decisions depend on accessible and reliable data sets and people. Therefore, the SmartGov project's pilots use digital technologies by integrating open and social media data, as well as expert opinion, into fuzzy cognitive maps, or FCMs, to model real-life problems and simulate different scenarios, leading to better decision-making. The project performed a multiple case analysis in 2 pilot cities, Limassol and Quart de Poblet. Both municipalities used the technologies to find the best routes. In Limassol to improve the garbage collection, and in Quart de Poblet to improve the walking routes of chaperones guiding children to school. The main outcomes of the use case analysis and literature review are: considering the main identified dimensions of smart city governance, collaboration and participation are stimulated by connecting experts and policymakers to build the foundation of the fuzzy cognitive maps. Data-driven decision-making is evidenced by the use of open internal and social media data to provide the value of the concepts in the domain in which the fuzzy cognitive maps are created. Openness and transparency are also stimulated in both the agenda setting and interventions that are evidence-based. Co-production with citizens occurs during the collection of data with the target group to understand people's needs to make better decisions. All the aforementioned definitions are particularly important to understand public sector transformation. Digital government transformation relates to a new way of delivering public service through the integration of new and innovative technologies and changing needs that requires a user-driven administration and clear value delivery. Therefore, the ultimate goal is a better performing government, more satisfied citizens, and the restoring of citizens' trust in governments. And how do you see your government integrating information technologies and collaborative governance in the innovation of public service delivery? How does your government integrate the citizens' expectations in service and policy development? I'm looking forward to continue the discussion with you, and thank you very much for your attention.